In this video, I'm going to show you how to make keyboard shortcuts. If you do use keyboard shortcuts quite frequently and you don't have them in Microsurvey 2016, I'm pretty sure it'll drive you crazy. And if you're not using them, it can be very helpful to speed you up, just using keyboard shortcuts as opposed to hunting down a button to try to figure out the function that you need. So to customize these keyboard commands, all you have to do, once again, click in the gray space up here, go down to Customize, and then go to Aliases here on the side. Not keyboard, these involve shortcuts with the function keys and whatnot. We want to go to Aliases. So one common one that I use a lot that is not set correctly when I start up a new CAD is copy. So if I go to C here, you can see that it's assigned to the circle command. So if I press C on my keyboard, I'm going to get a circle. I would have to type in copy, the whole command, to actually use the copy command. So I'm going to change that right now. I'll go back into Customize here, Aliases. I'm going to press C on my keyboard. It's just going to skip down to the letter C and show me what it's currently assigned to. So all of these functions here are the available commands. So I just have to find the copy command. They should all be in alphabetical order. There we go, copy. And now I just click assign once I have C highlighted, assign. You can see it's changed down here. And now when I press C, it works as copy. So you can go through, maybe even check your previous version of Microsurvey if you can't really remember what some of them are. You access them in exactly the same way. So customize, aliases. How about one that I use quite frequently? So draw order is one that I do like to use a fair bit. I have it set to DO. So I'll do the same over here. Customize, aliases, D. So that's currently assigned to donut. Going to type in DR and hopefully find draw order, assign. Now that is set. If you want to come up with your own, let's say we want to make command go to Kogo. Or maybe copy, sorry. So I'm going to assign the command to copy. I'm going to press assign. There you go. Type this in, command, and now it goes right to the function copy. So you can come up with all kinds of them, and I really would encourage you to use this. It'll speed you up a lot if you're doing any amount of work in Microsurvey. So yeah.